What do you say when people warn you? Everyone is against you, you will fail. A believer doesn't panic. He says, Allah is enough for me. And He is the best protector. In Surah Al-Imran, Allah describes the believers.
الذين قال لهم الناس إن الناس قد جمعوا لكم فاخشوهم فزادهم إيمانا وقالوا حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل.
Those to whom the people said, Indeed, the people have gathered against you, so fear them. But it only increased them in faith, and they said, Sufficient for us is Allah, and He is the best disposer of affairs. When people tried to scare them with threats, their faith didn't weaken. It became stronger. Why? Because their hearts were firm in Tawakkul. They knew no enemy, no critic. No army is greater than Allah. In life, you'll face negativity. Some people may envy your success. Others may try to break your confidence. But instead of fearing them, remember the dua of the Sahaba. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is enough. If He is with you, no one can harm you. Comment, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Save this video to remind yourself whenever people try to discourage you. Follow for daily Quranic reminders of courage and tawakkul.